So this is your MEX Scholarship 2027 guide, step-by-step procedure for undergraduate students. If you could study in Japan for free with full tuition, monthly stipend, and even with your flight covered, how would it be? So every year, thousands of students apply for MEX, but only a small percentage can actually make it. And from our experience of guiding students for the past 4 to 5 years with a high success rate, one thing is clear to me, that selection is not about luck. It is about clarity, it is about planning and correct execution. In this video, I will give you a complete roadmap so that you can avoid those common mistakes and apply with confidence. Hello everyone, this is your Deepti Sensei and welcome to Education Japan. If you're planning to study in Japan after your 12th, this video will give you complete clarity on how to apply for MEX 2027 step by step. So let's first understand what is MEX. MEX is a fully funded scholarship by the Japanese government and it covers your tuition fee, monthly stipend, round-trip airfare. You can apply for undergraduate programs in engineering, natural sciences and humanities. But remember, this is a highly competitive scholarship. So your approach needs to be structured and well planned. There is one tip that I want to share with all of you. Do not treat MEX like a normal application. You have to start early and understand the process deeply before applying. Let me tell you the eligibility criteria. You must have completed or be appearing for class 12. Your score should be above 80% to be eligible for this scholarship. There is an age limit, generally under 25 years. You should be medically fit and ready to study in Japan. I want you to know that consistency matters. Even if in one class you had lower marks, but strong overall performance and better preparation, I think you have a good chance. Let me now tell you about the application process. So the applications usually open around April, which is just around the corner, through the embassy, Japanese embassy. You need to submit documents like application form, mark sheets, certificates and other required formats. This stage is very crucial because many students get rejected due to small mistakes. You have to follow instructions exactly as given. Do not skip formats. Overwriting and keeping your documents clean and properly arranged is just as important. I want to tell you that presentation plays a big role. After submission, your application goes through document screening. After document screening, there will be a written examination. If shortlisted, you will appear for a written test. Science students usually give mathematics, physics and chemistry or biology. You can choose between chemistry or biology. Humanities students have different subjects, but English is common. The level is based on class 11 and 12 fundamentals. Focus on clarity and not just syllabus completion. Practice previous year question papers to really understand the pattern and improve your accuracy. Next will be your interview round. After clearing the exam, few of you at least, will be called for an interview and they evaluate your goals, your clarity and your seriousness. Questions are usually about why Japan, why you have chosen that field of study. Don't memorize these answers and don't chat GPT these answers because they want to hear the real you. And trust me, your clear intent and logical answers, they give away more than you think. And it's easy to find answers which are just copied from others or the idea if you don't own it. It's very easy for the interviewer to tell that. Your attitude matters as much as your answers. After this, there will be a final selection and next steps. After clearing all stages, your application is recommended to Japan for final approval. Selected students usually go through 1 year of Japanese language training before starting their degree. Use this time to adapt to the system and prepare yourself academically and culturally. I want to tell you some of the common mistakes that students usually make in MEX scholarship. One is starting late. No matter how many times I tell this to students, they think it's just a form and they just need to fill an application form. That's not how it works. You cannot ignore strategy. You have to start early to have impeccable documentation and also to understand the exam pattern and the interview pattern. MEX rewards students who are prepared and consistent. So if you really want to get selected, start early, stay disciplined and follow a clear plan. Random preparation will not work here and you need a clear direction. If you are serious about MEX 2027 and want proper step-by-step guidance with strategy, preparation, document and support, we can help you. You have to subscribe this channel right away. Fill out our query form and the link is available in our channel and video description. Stay consistent, stay focused, and believe in the process. And with the right guidance and effort, next is absolutely achievable. But don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such pro tips and like the video.